Karnataka's DCM DK Shivakumar, who also holds the portfolio of Water Resources Minister, visited the KRS Dam in Mandya district on Monday. During the visit, he conducted a comprehensive inspection of various aspects including the water storage levels, inflow, outflow and the overall security of the dam. Additionally, Shivakumar reviewed the development of Brindavan Park and other related issues, consulting closely with the officials present. The visit was marked by the presence of several key figures including District in Charge Minister Chaluvarayaswamy, MLAs Narendraswamy, Ramesh Bandisiddegowda, Kadalur Uday and Darshan Puttannaiah, MLC Dinesh Gooligowda, former MLA Chandrasekhar, former MLC Marithibbegowda and Additional Chief Secretary of the Water Resources Department Gaurav Gupta also participated in the inspection. The District Collector Kumar and the Managing Director of Cauvery Irrigation Corporation Mahesh were among the officials who accompanied the minister, providing insights and updates on the dam's status and ongoing project. KRS, an important reservoir of the Cauvery river situated at Srirangapatna in Mandya district, is full. About 50,000 cusecs of water are being released from the dam into the river. The minister conducted the inspection against the background of the dam being filled. Excess water is being released from the KRS reservoir. Mandya District Collector Kumar has advised people to take precautionary measures. Water has been released into the river since Saturday after the reservoir level crossed 120 feet.
See, I am very happy to inform, due to the rain gods, we have got sufficient water. We are supposed to leave 40 TMC of water. Now already the authority had given us permission to release from 11 to 31st. Still there is some time. About 1 TMC a day. 1 TMC a day. But now, as on today, we have released 20 TMC was supposed to leave. Now we have released 30 TMC of water has gone as on now, the present status. And every day, I think by 31st or 1st, we may complete our quota of 40 TMC. And I have directed all our farmers to be very cautious on the borders. If there is excess flow, you should be very cautious because one fellow has been already gone away with the water. So at the same time, we are going to do puja within this week. I'll just discuss with the CM on an important auspicious day. We will have to do Bhagina, that puja, Cauvery puja.